नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. In last period we have seen methods for solving linear equation in two variables. Last method is graphical method, and today we have to learn determinant method for solving linear equation in two variables. But before that, we have to learn what is meant by determinant and how can calculate the value of determinant. बघा, मागच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणे सोडवण्यासाठी अनेक पद्धती पाहिली होती. आता आपल्याला निश्चित पद्धत पाहिजे, त्याला आपण डिटर्मिनंट पद्धत असं म्हणतो. परंतु तत्पूर्वी डिटर्मिनंट म्हणजे काय, निश्चित म्हणजे काय हे पाहणं आपल्याला गरजेचं आहे. तर त्याच्यामध्ये लक्षात घ्या, what is meant by determinant? When we have to given four numbers, a, b, c, d are four numbers, and these four numbers are written in the form a, b, c, d, such that when this type of return is called determinant. When these four numbers are written in this form, this is called determinant. जेव्हा आपण या चार संख्या अशा पद्धतीने लिहितो तेव्हा याला काय म्हणतात, तर निश्चित किंवा डिटर्मिनंट असतात. त्याला डिटर्मिनंट म्हटल्यानंतर याची जी ऑर्डर आहे, ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस डिटर्मिनंट इज 2. Why order of this determinant is 2? Because it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. या निश्चयकामध्ये दोन रोज आहेत म्हणजे आडव्या ओळी आहेत आणि दोन उभ्या ओळी आहेत, दोन कॉलम्स आहेत. म्हणून याची जी ऑर्डर आहे कोणती आहे, किती असतो, 2 असतो. 2 rows a comma b c comma d, a comma b c comma d, and 2 columns a c and. Then how can we calculate the value of this determinant? When we have to calculate the value of determinant, make the cross multiplication, a into d minus b into c. This is the value of given determinant giving order 2. A into d minus b into c. This is the value of given determinant. बघा, या निश्चयकाची जर किंमत काढायची असेल तर a आणि b चा गुणाकार करा. a गुणिले d वजा काय करा, b गुणिले c करा. ad minus bc. This is the value of given determinant giving order 2. कोटी 2 असलेल्या निश्चयकाची किंमत या पद्धतीने काढली जाते. But remember that determinants are represented by capital letters. Determinants are represented by capital letters A, B, C, D such that determinant हे काय केले जातात, तर कॅपिटल लेटर ने दर्शवले जातात. Then we have to learn how to calculate the value of given determinant. In your examination, we have to ask the question, find the value of determinant for 1 marks. Then take here example first. -1, 7, 2, 4. Given example -1, 2, 7 and 4. Then how can we solve it? Then written as -1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. Cross multiplication. -1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. Then -1 into 4 minus 4. Minus as it is, 2 7s are 14. -4 and -14, it means -18. -4 and -14, -18. This is the value of given determinant. The next example second. 5 minus 7, 3. When we have to calculate the value of this determinant, जेव्हा आपल्याला निश्चयकाची किंमत काढायची असते, 5 into 0 minus 3 into -7. Then 5 into 0, 0. This minus plus, and 3 7s are 21. We know that in multiplication minus plus, 3 7s are 21. Therefore 0 plus 21 is equal to 21. This is the value of this determinant. The value of first determinant is -18 and the value of second determinant is 20. Then third example, we have to see here. Third example, we have to given 7/3, 5/3. And here 3/2 and 1. Then by cross multiplication, 7/3 into 1/2 minus 5/3 into 3. Make here multiplication first. We know that in multiplication, numerator of multiplication of numerator in the numerator and multiplication of denominator in the denominator. अंशांशाचा गुणाकार छेदाछेदाचा गुणाकार. 5 3s are 15 divided by 6. Then 7 minus 15 by 6 is equal to minus 8 by 6. Its simplest form is minus 4/3. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. This is the value of third. Next, fourth example, we have to given here 2 √3, 9, 2, 3 √3. Then 2 √3 into 3 √3 minus 2 into 9. Then by multiplication, 2 3s are 6. In square root, 3 into 3 minus 9 2s are 18. Then 6, 3 into 3, 9. 9 square root is 3 minus 18. This is also 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of this determinant is 0. Only cross multiplication. See here, 3 2s are 6. √3 into √3, √9, and the root of 9 is 3. Therefore, 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. And fifth example, we have to given here 2 √2, 3 √3, 5 √2, 8 √3. Then 2 √2 into 8 √3 minus 3 √3 into 5 √2. Then here by multiplication, 2 into 8 into 2 into 3 in square root. Then 3 into 5 into √3. Then 2 8s are 16. 16 √6 minus 15. 2 8s are 16. 3 5s are 15. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. We know that square root of 6 is not calculated. Therefore, 16 √6 minus 15 √6. These two are similar sums. Then we can subtract it. Yes, स्वरूप करणे आहे त्यांची वजाबाकी होते. 6 √6 minus 15. 16 √6 minus 15 √6 goes to √6. Therefore, the value of this determinant is √6, such that we can solve the problems on determinant. Find the value of determinant. Very important for your determinant method or Cramer's rule is we have to must solve it, and then we have to learn determinant method or Cramer's rule for solving linear equation in two variables. Here we have to learn determinant. We know that this type of arrangement is called determinant, and order of this is 2 because it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. And when we have to calculate the value of this determinant, only cross multiply and subtract it. AD minus BC is the value of this determinant. Determinants are represented by capital letters, and the value of determinant is calculated by such that these are some examples. Dear student, we have to study here next method for solving simultaneous equations. बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनो आपल्याला आता पुढची मेथड पाहिजे ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो डिटर्मिनंट मेथड ऑर क्रॅमर्स रूल. व्हाय इट इज कॉल्ड क्रॅमर्स रूल? This determinant method is first used by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer for solving simultaneous equation. Therefore, this method is also called as Cramer's rule. Determinant method या पद्धतीला सर्वप्रथम स्विस मॅथमॅटिशियन ग्रॅबियल क्रॅमर या शास्त्रज्ञाने सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशनला. सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन म्हणून याला आपण काय म्हणतो क्रॅमर्स रूल असं म्हणतो. तर कशा पद्धतीने क्रॅमर्स रूलने ही सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सॉल्व केली जातात ते आपण या ठिकाणी पाहूया. सपोज वी हॅव गिवन टू सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. वी नो दॅट a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 is the first given simultaneous equation and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. This is the second simultaneous equation. First simultaneous equation and second simultaneous equation. Here we know that x and y are variables and a1 b1 c1 a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are variables. When we have to given this type of simultaneous equation for determinant method, first calculate d. What is the value of d? Means a1 b1 divided by a2 b2. Value of this determinant is the value of d. Then calculate the value of dx. What is the value of dx? How can we calculate the value of dx? d ची किंमत काढत असताना a1 b1 a2 b2 या व्हॅल्यू घेऊन जर तुम्ही याचा डिटर्मिनंट काढला निश्चय काढला तर कितीची किंमत असते. त्यानंतर dx ची व्हॅल्यू काढत असताना रिमेंबर दॅट dx means determinant without x coefficients. These x coefficients are replaced by constant numbers c1 and c2 and coefficients of y variables written as it is. This is the value of dx and last what is the value of dy? Then value of dy means determinant without y coefficients. Y coefficient, write the x coefficient as it is a1 a2 and replace the y coefficients by constant terms c1 and c2. First we have to calculate these three determinants d, dx and dy. बघा सुरुवातीला आपल्याला d काढावा लागेल, त्यानंतर dx काढावा लागेल आणि त्यानंतर dy काढावा लागेल आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं तर क्रॅमर्स रूल वापरावा लागतो. Then we have to use Cramer's rule and by Cramer's rule we can calculate the value such that x is equal to dx by d and y is equal to dy. And this is the solution of given simultaneous equation. प्रथमतः d काढलं dx काढलं dy काढलं आणि क्रॅमर्स च्या नियमाचा वापर करून x आणि y च्या किमती या पद्धतीने काढल्या. फक्त या किमती काढत असताना मिस्टेक न होणे खूप गरजेचं असतं. यामध्ये बघा x चे कोएफिशिएंट घेतले y चे कोएफिशिएंट घेतले त्यानंतर dx काढताना x चे कोएफिशिएंट हे कॉन्स्टंट टर्मने रिप्लेस केले म्हणजे x चे जिथं सहगुणक होते त्या ठिकाणी c1 c2 लिहिलं आणि याच्यामध्ये पहा जिथं y चे कोएफिशिएंट होते त्या ठिकाणी काय केलं c1 c2 लिहिलं. तर लक्षात घ्या each and every simultaneous equations are written in the form a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then here we have to take example given two simultaneous equations and we have to solve these simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Given simultaneous equations, we We know that 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Equation first. And second, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. हे दिलेलं पहिलं समीकरण आहे आणि त्यानंतर दिलेलं दुसरं समीकरण आहे. दिलेली एक सामायिक समीकरणे अशा पद्धतीने आहेत. We have to know here a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 10, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to. By comparing this equation to a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, we have calculated these values. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 4, c1 is equal to 10, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 5. Then we have to calculate here d. We know that d means a1 b1 and a2. Then here 3 4 and then a2 b2 4 3 here 3 minus 4. What is the value of 3? 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 by cross multiplication. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4, 9 minus 4 into 4 minus 16, 9 plus 16 goes to 20. This is the value of. Then we have to calculate here dx. Dx means we know that c1 by c2 is equal to b1 by c1 by c2 means 10 divided by 10 5. c1 ची value 10, c2 ची value 5 and minus 4 divided by 3 as it is. Then 10 3s are 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. Calculate the value of this determinant. 10 3s are 13 minus 4 into 5 minus 20. Then 30 plus 20 goes to minus plus. Means the value of dx is 50. Value of d is 25. And then we can calculate the value of dy. We know that dy means replacing the coefficients of y variable. a1, a2 as it is. Here c1 by c2. Then 3 by 4 as it is. And replacing the coefficients of y variable means here c1, c2. Then calculate the value of dy. Here a1 is 3, a2 is 4. Here c1 is 10 and c2 is 5. Then value of this determinant 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4, 15 minus 14 is equal to minus 25. This is the value of dy. Value of d is 25, value of dx is 50, and value of dy is minus 25. So by using Cramer's rule, we have to calculate the value of x and y by Cramer's rule. बघा d dx आणि dy च्या किमती काढल्या. आता Cramer's rule चा वापर करून आपल्याला x आणि y च्या किमती काढायच्या. We know that dx is equal to dx by d. Therefore, value of dx is 50 divided by 25 is equal to 2. And last, y is equal to dy by d is equal to value of dy 25 divided by 20 minus 25 divided by 24. It means minus 1. So the solution of this simultaneous equation is 2 comma minus 1 such that we can solve the given simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule or determinant method. अशा पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो, दिलेली एक सामायिक समीकरणे निश्चयकाच्या पद्धतीने किंवा क्रॅमर्स नियमाच्या नुसार सोडवू शकतो. In a difficulty, please tell me. First calculate the value of d, then calculate the value of dx, and then calculate the value of dy. And by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx by d, we can calculate the value of dx, and y is equal to dy by d, then calculate the value of y. Values of x and y are the solutions of these given simultaneous equations. Then we have to take here another example. This is the first example for determinant method or Cramer's rule. Firstly calculate d, dx and dy. Next example which cannot be written in this form. When the given example is not written in this form, first convert the given example in the form a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and b2x plus b2y is equal to c2, and then solve it. Next example, second example here, we have to given y is equal to 2x minus 19, and second equation y is equal to 2x minus 19, second 2x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to here all of you. This equation cannot be written in a proper way. Then first write the given equation in a proper way. It means which form a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Given equations. Given equations, y is equal to 2x minus 19. And second 2x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 2. Then this equation can be written as this plus 2x on either side minus 2x plus y is equal to 19. This is the first equation, plus 2x by changing the side minus 2x plus y is equal to 19, and then second 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. This is the second equation. In the form a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then we can solve these two equations by determinant method or Cramer's rule. By comparing these two equations with these two equations, we have to calculate the value of a1 is equal to minus 2, b1 is equal to 1, and c1 is equal to minus 19. Then a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, and c2 is equal to minus 3. This is the value of our first equation, and these are the value of second equation. पहिल्या समीकरणावर या किमती गेल्या, दुसऱ्या समीकरणावर त्या किमती गेल्या. Then we have to calculate d, dx and dy. Directly d is equal to, we know that a1 b1 divided by a2 b2. a1 b1 a2 b2. Then by substituting the values, a1 b1 means minus 2 and 1, and then 2 minus 2 1, then 2 and minus 3. Then calculate the value of this determinant. या निश्चयकाची किंमत काढा. minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2 into minus 3, 2 3s are 6, minus minus plus, minus 2 goes to 2 1s are 2, 6 minus 2 4. Then the value of dx is equal to, we know that in dx replacing the coefficient of x by c1 c2 here b1, then c1 c2 means minus 19 and minus 3, and here 1 comma is equal. Then calculate the value of this determinant. minus 19 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3. Minus minus plus 19 3s are 57 minus minus plus this minus plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to 60 plus 60. Then while calculate the value of dy, we know that in dy replacing the coefficient of y variables with c1 c2, then here minus 2 as it is, c1 c2 minus 19 and minus 3. Then calculate the value of dy, minus 2 into minus 3 minus 19 into 2 3s are 6 minus minus plus this minus minus plus 19 2s are 38, then 38 plus 6, this is the value of 38 plus 6, this is the value of dy. Then we have to calculate x and y by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx by d. Then what is the value of dx? 60 divided by value of d 4. 60 divided by 4, 4 ones are remaining to 20, 4 5s are, it means 50. Then calculate the value of y, dy divided by d. 44 divided by 4, 4 ones are 11. Therefore the value of x and y, this is the solution of given simultaneous equation. It means 50, 11. Value of x is 15 and value of y is 11, such that we can solve the given simultaneous equation by determinant method or Cramer's rule. These equations are not written in the proper way. First we can calculate this equation in a proper way, and then by calculating the value of dx and dy, we can calculate the value of x and y, and this is the solution. So in this period we have seen what is meant by determinant, which type of determinant we have given, and how we can solve these determinants, and then we have to learn what is meant by determinant method of Cramer's rule, and how can solve the given simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule or determinant method. बघा आपण या आजच्या पिरियड मध्ये निश्चय कसा काढायचा, त्यानंतर निश्चय काढल्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी निश्चयकाचा वापर करून क्रॅमर्स रूलने दिलेली एक सामायिक समीकरणे कशी सोडवायची ते आपण पाहिलं. Importance for your examination. First question, find the value of determinant is asked for 1 mark, and this by solving determinant